Welcome, Aries. Today is Sunday, June 14th, 2026, and the final day of the weekend carries a very specific energy for your sign. Sunday for Aries is not about rest in the passive sense. It is about conscious preparation, the quiet before the storm of a new week. And today Mars is asking you to use this Sunday intentionally. You may wake up with a sense of unfinished business, something that needs resolution before Monday arrives. A conversation, a decision, a mental shift that you've been putting off. Today is the day to address it, not with force, but with the quiet, clear determination that Mars at its best always brings. In your career, Sunday brings a perfect energy for strategic thinking. Not action yet, but the deep, unhurried thinking that produces a kind of clarity that makes Monday morning feel completely different. Sit with a notebook today and map out your priorities for the week ahead. What is the one professional outcome you most want to create this week? Write it down with intention, and your mind will begin working toward it before Monday even arrives. Financially, today calls for honest assessment, not anxiety, just honesty. Look at where your money is going and where you want to go instead. Sunday financial reflection for Aries creates the mental blueprint that guides better decisions all week. If there's a money conversation you've been avoiding with yourself or someone else, today's calm Sunday energy makes it easier to face and far more productive than having it midweek under pressure. In love, Aries, Sunday brings a tender and reflective quality to your relationships. The urgency of the week is gone, and what remains is the honest question: am I showing up fully for the people I love? Today, answer that question through action rather than intention. Reach out to someone you have been meaning to connect with. Say something you have been holding back. Be present in a way that the busy week rarely allows. If you are single, Sunday is excellent for genuine self-reflection about what you truly want from love and whether your current energy is aligned with attracting it. Health today asks you to honor your body's need for genuine Sunday restoration. Aries runs hard all week, and the body needs a full reset before the new week begins. Sleep a little later than usual. Eat something nourishing and unhurried. Move your body gently rather than intensely today. A long walk, a gentle stretch, or time spent in nature will restore your Mars energy far more effectively than pushing through another intense workout. Spiritual message for Aries on June 14th. Before the new week begins, take 5 minutes in complete silence today. No phone, no music, no input of any kind. Just you and the quiet. In that silence, ask yourself one question: what do I most want to feel this week? Not achieve, feel. Let that feeling be your compass for the 7 days ahead. When you lead with feeling rather than just doing, everything changes. Subscribe to Astro Healing for your daily reading. Have a powerful and intentional Sunday, Aries. The new week is already waiting for you.